Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today we're taking a look at one of the best sneakers to release so far this year. This is going to be the Nike Air Max 1 in the Concepts Heavy colorway. I said it. I said it. This shoe right here is one of the best sneakers to release so far in 2022. I had to buy these straight off of StockX. If you're wondering how much I paid 283 doll hairs for this shoe right here because I love it so much. Now, when I originally purchased it, it was $235 on the buy or purchase price, and then it added a $24 sales tax, $9.40 processing fee, and $14 for shipping. So I paid about $50 in taxes and fees for these, and that just goes to show you, man, I've been holding off on a lot of sneakers, but for some reason, this shoe right here, it does it for me. Now, as you guys can already tell by the box, this has a crazy look to it. We got a black box with the concepts on the outside, and we also have different designs right here, which I love to see. I've been so used to seeing the same boxes, so when I saw this, I was like, dude, this is refreshing. This is what I live for, man. I haven't had a shoe that I've been super passionate about in a long minute, but these, it kind of is bringing me back for some reason. It's giving me that like OG feel when I first got into sneakers. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. I already wore this pair, but I'm gonna show you guys every single thing in full detail. Starting off with the paper. This shoe is just packed with details and I freaking love it. So we got this bright red packing paper right here. It says Concepts, and we have these crazy flowers that are made in that swoosh pattern. But we're not here for the paper. I just want to breeze through that real quick. We're here for the shoes. StockX tag, if you guys didn't believe me, StockX tag right here. All right, let's take a look at these babies. Let's go. Okay, so the Concepts Heavy Air Maxes. Concepts came out with 3 different shoes. One was the mellow, one was the heavy, and the other one was the far out. But out of all 3, the heavy stood out to me the most. I feel like the materials flowed best on this particular colorway, but you guys let me know which one you were feeling more in the comment section down below. Now, whenever it comes to sneakers, you know that I'm a sucker for materials, and this shoe right here is all about materials. Starting with the toe box area of the shoe, you're gonna see a slash, a star, as well as a moon. I'm not sure exactly what that represents, but it's super nice how they embroidered that over this washed denim. Moving along, the second material that you guys are probably gonna notice is this furry material right here. It almost feels like you got a pet dog, you kind of miss them, you reach down on your feet and you're like, man, I miss my dog, bro. I believe this is bovine fur. Fun fact, bovine is just a fancy way of saying cow. So yes, it's cow fur. For this release, we got some brown laces, but I believe there were 2 other laces that came with this pair. It's just not on the shoe right now because I did wear these, but we'll talk about that in a bit. The 2 materials that stood out to me for this shoe had to be the camo look. It starts from the front and it wraps all the way around to the back of the shoe. Now, the second material that added the nice pop had to be the orange for me. So on this side, all of this orange material is made out of a canvas material, and we also have a purposely frayed Nike Air logo on the back. Now, if we look at this side of the shoe, we got that super dope paisley print, which I'm in love with. I think this shoe really needed a bright and vibrant color to make this thing pop, and that orange definitely did it. One of the more unique features on the shoe has to be the Nike swoosh. Now, on this side, we have this white, yellow, and reddish orange look, but my favorite look for the swoosh has to be the one on the inside. We have those beautiful flowers popping out from the swoosh, giving it that really nice patchwork feel to it. These things are amazing. We also have the washed denim that kind of tones everything down. One of the cooler details that I noticed is that it says Concepts right here on the back. It's almost like one of those Easter eggs. Moving along to the tongue of the shoe, we have a nice and buttery nubuck material. This feels super nice, and we also have the Nike swoosh right here on the tongue. and it says concepts down below. Now for this release, they did not miss out on the details. We got some more hidden right into the midsole. Obviously we have some speckling, but I love how they kind of left this area right here untouched, and we just got the speckling going along the bottom. Let's take a quick look at the Air Buble. We got more speckles in there. Oh, here are the two laces that I mentioned previously. We have a velvet lace. I'm not sure if I'm feeling this one, and we got a set of white laces. I think the brown looks cool right now, but if you guys have any suggestions on what laces you would throw on these, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys are curious on the insole work, they did not miss out on the insoles either. And what I like about Air Max 1 insoles is that the back of them represents the outsole right here. Blow, just like that. And while we're talking about insoles, let me show you the sock liner. The sock liner has a nice ribbed feature on here. It's a lot different than a lot of the Air Maxes that I've seen personally. This shoe right here is just screaming summer vibes for me. For this shoe right here, you throw on some shorts, put on some nice white and crispy Nike long socks, and you're good to go. You're gonna have a beautiful day. I had a couple people ask me what I would wear with these, and honestly, when a shoe is this loud, you don't need to wear anything to match with it, to be honest. I think some black Nike shorts with a crispy white tee and these, you'll be good to go. That's just a simple combo right there for the top. But for these shoes, they gotta speak for themselves. I mean, look at these things. These things are crazy. If y'all never had a pair of Air Max 1s before, I do recommend going true to size, but keep in mind that these things do fit slightly big, just very slightly, but not enough to go down half a size in my opinion. Your best bet though is to go to a sneaker store, try these on, and find out what your size is. And if you guys are interested in this specific colorway, I would highly recommend getting on it ASAP, because they're not going for too much. I did spend a pretty penny on these, $283 after tax and everything, but in your Facebook marketplaces or maybe your eBays, you might be able to find these a lot easier for a lot less. I'll leave a link down below in the description to eBay if you guys would like to check these out. But honestly, I think this shoe right here is definitely going to make it to one of the top sneakers released in 2022. As you guys could probably tell by my tone, I am absolutely obsessed with these. I love this shoe right here. After reviewing shoes for so long and seeing so many shoes, it's been really tough for me to get hyped and excited over a certain release. But every now and then, there's one of those shoes that will get me excited and get me going, and these definitely make the cut. So again, this is going to be a quick review on the Air Max 1s in the heavy colorway. If you guys would like to check these out, the links will be down below. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Is this a cop or drop? I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video though. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.